Hi guys, are you a website owner,
Affiliate marketer.
affiliate marketer? Do you have a small
Uh,
business that you are trying to get leads on? Or any kind of traffic? This site is perfect for you. TrafficAdbar allows you to be spotted by many of people. I actually use this for some of my blogs, so to make sure I can get views, make sure everything looks alright, and all that good stuff. Basically, it's free. You can hit add your websites like this, make your account, add your websites, and then you can go up here, click earn points now, and all you do is view other people's websites, earn points, and it'll put you into a ladder system. The ladder system will make you come out on top, and basically you are helping other people get spotted. This is all you do. It's really simple. If you are needing
it's not run by bots.
no, it's not ran by bots. It's ran by actual people. We have to go through captcha checks every couple pages.
Oh, to be sure, it's right there.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if that's for that, but
No.
there's a capture check there.
Yeah. You have 10 seconds to view every website. And if you find something that is against terms, say nudity or anything like that, then hit report. I didn't know that until one of my blogs got flagged for content that is not appropriate for their stuff. Oh, you can also get free points by using if you sign up with your email, they're gonna email you stuff. You get free points from that. You also have you get 500 points if you go through looking at the links. They also have a extension for Google Chrome that you can add, and you get basically points from that. You can go through and add it to your website if you're running ads, and you get points for that. So there's just so many points that you can get. It's like a good little system. Like you have your hits, what all been hit, which it's been higher than that, but it just restarted at like 8 o'clock. So you have your level ladder. See what came out on top, and it's just easy to use, easy to get out there. You can see who's posting. Like you see Jerry's there, but like you can go to whoever.
Yeah, I'm not sure how that part works.
I don't remember how you. Up there it is. You can see what all they posted, all their links, all their stuff that they added.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, that makes more sense now. I thought that was part of the webpage you was looking at for a minute.
No, you can just go through and look at all the people. And some of them will review your stuff twice, like look at your stuff twice. So it's just a win-win. You're just getting out there. There's be some weird stuff like this all the time.
But it's great if you have a landing page like a link tree or anything like that, you can get it out there immediately.
Yeah, and it works so great. Like honestly, and then it shows you what
rank you are.
Yeah, what rank you are. It's just so easy to use. I just wanted to share this out there. Try to help somebody. I mean, I know being a small business, it's hard to get your stuff out there. And this is one of the ways you can do it, because you can actually go to the website. It's actual websites that you can look at and browse. See? Oh, it's going to ask me to do this, but you guys get it. So, yeah. I will catch you guys later. Oh, that's Rumble. See, look, I have 18 different things. But yeah, I will catch you guys later. Bye.